Good morning, mate, and welcome to the vlog. Now, as you can see, this is where all the magic happens. But today, guys, we are going to be picking up my buddy pretty soon. I'm just put on my jacket because I'm going to be leaving pretty soon to go and pick up my buddy from the doctor's office. And you guys all know this guy, so it'll be great for you guys to recognize him and remember, who is he? You'll have to find out. As well, guys, we are doing awesome on the channel. I'm just gonna put this little segment in here to say I love you guys, and it is amazing how much love you guys are showing the channel and how fast we are growing, and I'm happy for once I'm actually able to keep a uploading schedule, which it's been so long since I've been able to do that. So it's kept me very happy that I'm keeping myself 2 weeks ahead of me, just that way we can get more videos out. I'm able to do more for the next month, or I guess this month, because this video goes out 2 weeks from now. This video will be going out probably November, probably 10th or 11th, and just mind you, this is still October for me, but it's November for you guys. This month, November, a lot of videos should be coming out for the gaming channel again, because we've been keeping on a very good schedule. I may be trying to permanently bump it up to 3 videos a week for the vlog channel. We're gonna try. As well as then I'm going to be trying to bump it up to a video a week on the gaming channel, and if that goes well within the next month, we might bump that up to 2 if I'm able to keep up with it. But so far, guys, it's been great. But before we go to pick up my buddy, I just want to talk to you guys seriously. Since I no longer had a job, I had the government try and come after me. They're trying to take away my license right now, so I left work because of stress, because I was ending up in the hospital because of all my stress. And now I leave my job, but my stress levels are still not down because, well, now I have the government trying to take away my license, and so I had to get a lawyer, and it's just not a fun time for me right now, especially with no income to have to pay for all this extra stuff. This month has been my most costly month for my car, for my job, for trying to look for jobs, and it's scaring me, and it doesn't let my stress go down. Like, as you guys can see, I had a panic attack last night, which does not help the fact that I had a panic attack. But moving forward from that, we're going to try and do good, we're going to try and do better, and today is supposed to be a fun day. So I'll get out of all this boring stuff and let's head out. It's the Cameron.
Oh, sir.
It's the Cameron.
They gave me an anxiety prescription.
It's the Cameron.
He is.
So now we've worked back home. I grabbed the battery and the key for the dump truck. He hasn't played with the dump truck yet. Nope. So that's the only reason we're playing with the dump truck. I'm stealing my dad's battery from the tractor, so we're going to go play with the dump truck. And he has a cat.
And the cat comes to eat it?
No.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm just stealing the battery from the tractor. The C10 engine is still sitting here. Oh, I'm glad I put the cover back on. It rained. You don't want water in the carb.
Nope.
I should probably put the hood back over this for now, just to keep it a little more protected, but
it's quite rusty.
C10. There's okay. Cameron with the dump truck.
Oh, that's a good punch right there.
There's a hole in the floor. Let's see if the air conditioning works. Oh, it does. I can hear it.
It's working.
The AC works. Wait, you're not in gear.
Are you sure?
Yes. Put the clutch fully down.
It is.
Oh, never mind. Yes, you were.
I think I was spinning a tire.
Yeah, I think so too.
Boys. You can do it! Pull! That's good, let everybody know where we're going. Just play it. That took way too much effort.
Oh my god! Look how! Look how!
It's a bit deep and a bit wide. It's just like the Jordan River. It's just like the Jordan. Escape.
We're free!
Yes.
I have muddy hands.
I have muddy pink shirt. Thanks, Zoe.
Keep it level, keep it level.
What you doing? Oh no!
Okay, that's heavy.
Well, now in your tags you can say near-death experience. Yeah. Wow.
You guys get all the way? No.
We got. Hey, you know what this looks like?
Chain shot.
It's Zoaction. Zaction.
Oh, I thought you can't stop.
Yes, I know your mind.
Is it actually recording?
I am recording Zoe. Indeed I am. No, I'll stop now.
Well, today was fun. Play with the dump truck, but time to call it the end. Follow your dreams. Peace.